In this video, I want to show you how to change the orientation of your map or diagram in graphical coding software. In graphical coding software, by default, your map or diagram comes in portrait layout or portrait orientation. If for one reason you want to change the orientation, I'll show you how to do it. For example, I have this Durov diagram, which is a diagram showing the chemistry of my water sample. Now, if I want to change the orientation, come to Layout. Then here you can see the orientation. Click on Orientation and change it either from landscape to portrait or from portrait to landscape. For example, I want to change it from portrait to landscape. So I'll click on Landscape and you can see the result. It has changed it from portrait to landscape. So, and if you want to change it back to portrait, is the same approach. Go to Layout, come to Orientation and change it to portrait, and you can see it here. So this is how to change the orientation of your map or diagram in graphical coding software, and this is necessary at times, especially if you want to attach the result to your Word document where you need the orientation either to be in portrait or to be in landscape, depending on your needs. So this is how to change the orientation of your map or diagram in graphical coding software. Thank you for watching.